Ever look at your bank account at the end of the month and wonder where all your money went? You're working hard, maybe harder than ever, but it feels like you're stuck on a financial treadmill, running in place while everyone else is moving forward. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone, and it's not your fault. It's likely because of a few common but totally fixable money mistakes. We're about to break down the 5 biggest financial traps for people in their teens and 20s and give you simple, actionable strategies to build a stronger financial future starting today. Mistake number 1, spending every dollar you make. Your paycheck hits your account and it feels great for about 5 minutes. Then it's coffee here, a new video game there, takeout because you're too tired to cook, and suddenly it's gone. You're living in what's called a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. This isn't just a feeling, it's a reality for many. A recent report from Bankrate showed that nearly half of Americans under 30 have less than $1,000 in savings. That means one unexpected expense can throw your entire life off balance. When you spend everything you earn, you're not giving your money a chance to work for you. You're working for it. And that's a game you can't win long term. The solution? Pay yourself first. Here's the powerful mindset shift. Before you pay your rent, your phone bill, or buy that new pair of sneakers, you pay yourself first. This means the moment your paycheck arrives, a portion of it goes directly into a separate savings account. You're treating your future financial well-being as your most important bill. How do you start? Automate it. Set up an automatic transfer. Even if it's just $25 per paycheck, start somewhere. The goal is to make saving effortless, so you don't even have to think about it. Use the 50-30-20 guideline. This is a popular framework, not a strict rule. Aim to put 50% of your after-tax income towards needs, rent, groceries, 30% towards wants, entertainment, dining out, and a crucial 20% towards savings and debt repayment. Adjust the percentages to fit your life, but always prioritize that savings portion. Mistake number 2, thinking your credit score is just an adult problem. You might think, I don't need a mortgage, so who cares? Big mistake. Your credit score is like a financial GPA that follows you everywhere. It's a 3-digit number, typically from 300 to 850, that tells lenders how responsible you are with money. Here's why it matters right now. Landlords check it before renting you an apartment. Cell phone companies check it for new plans. Auto insurers can even use it to set your rates. A good credit score can save you thousands. For example, on a $25,000 car loan over 5 years, someone with excellent credit might pay over $5,000 less in interest than someone with poor credit. That's real money. The solution? Start building credit history now. You don't need to go into debt to build credit. You just need to show a history of responsible borrowing. Become an authorized user. Ask a parent or trusted family member with a good credit history to add you as an authorized user on one of their credit cards. You don't even need to use the card. Their positive payment history can start helping your score. Get a secured credit card. If you're over 18, a secured card is a great starting point. You make a small cash deposit, maybe $200, which becomes your credit limit. Use it for a small recurring purchase like a Netflix subscription, and this is the important part, pay the bill in full and on time every single month. Mistake number 3, only chasing fast money instead of building skills. We all see the headlines about a meme stock or a crypto coin going to the moon. It's tempting to throw your money at these highly volatile assets, hoping for a quick win. While some people get lucky, many more lose money they can't afford to lose. Relying on luck is a strategy for staying broke. The most reliable, time-tested path to increasing your income is by increasing your value. Your skills are your single greatest asset. The solution? Invest in yourself. Instead of spending all your time and energy looking for the next lottery ticket, focus on developing skills that are in high demand. Learn a high-income skill. You don't need a 4-year degree for this. Explore areas like digital marketing, graphic design, video editing, coding, or learning a skilled trade like welding or electrical work. There are countless affordable online courses and certifications available. Master your current field. Become the best person at your current job. Ask for more responsibility. Learn what your boss does. This leads to promotions and pay raises, which provides you with more capital to save and invest for the long term. Sustainable income growth will always outperform a lucky gamble. Mistake number 4, having no emergency fund. What happens if your car breaks down and needs a $700 repair? Or you get an unexpected medical bill? For many, the plan is a frantic phone call to their parents or swiping a high-interest credit card. This creates stress and financial dependency. The Federal Reserve reports that nearly 40% of American adults wouldn't be able to cover a $400 emergency using cash. When you don't have a safety net, any small bump in the road becomes a major crisis, often pushing you into debt that's hard to climb out of. The solution? Build your freedom fund. An emergency fund isn't about expecting disaster. It's about giving yourself freedom and peace of mind. The goal is to have 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses saved up, but don't let that big number scare you. Start with a baby fund. Your first goal is simple: save $1,000. That alone puts you ahead of millions and can cover most common emergencies. Sell things you don't need, pick up a few extra hours at work, or cut one subscription. Get creative to hit that first milestone. Keep it separate and accessible. Open a high-yield savings account, HYSA. These are online savings accounts that typically offer a much better interest rate than traditional banks. Your money grows faster, but it's still separate from your checking account, so you won't be tempted to spend it. Mistake number 5, not learning about investing early. We often think investing is for rich people in suits, or that we need thousands of dollars to start. That's no longer true. But the biggest reason to start now is a powerful force called compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the 8th wonder of the world. It's your money earning money, and then that new money earning even more money. The key ingredient is time, which is the one advantage you have in your teens and 20s. Let's look at an example. Imagine you start investing $150 a month at age 20. Assuming an average market return of 8%, by age 65, you could have around $600,000. But if you wait until age 30 to start the exact same thing, you'd end up with only about $260,000. That 10-year delay could cost you over $340,000. That's the power of starting early. The solution? Start small, start now. You don't need to be an expert to begin. Educate yourself. Spend 30 minutes a week learning the basics. Understand what a low-cost indexed fund or ETF is. These are great starting points because they provide instant diversification. Open an account. Look into opening a Roth IRA. It's a retirement account that offers amazing tax advantages, allowing your money to grow completely tax-free. You can open one with a major, reputable brokerage firm online in less than 15 minutes. Start with what you can. Can you invest $50 a month? $20 a week? Perfect. The habit is more important than the amount when you're starting. Look, managing money in your teens and 20s can feel overwhelming, but avoiding these 5 mistakes isn't about restriction. It's about empowerment. It's about building a life where you control your money instead of letting it control you. You have the power to change your financial future with small, consistent actions starting right now. I'm curious to hear from you. Which one of these mistakes hit home the most for you? What's one small, positive financial change you're going to make this week? Drop your answers in the comments below and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.